Hello guys. So I wanted to make a quick video here. For those of you wondering where I am, we're in Gatlinburg. That used to be a fudge shop that was here for almost 40 years. And this right here was a children's store, both locally owned. It is over there now. Our friend Jeremy, he has a TikTok channel, Gatlinburg Live. But these two local places are going to be replaced by a Goo Goo cluster out of Nashville. And it's pretty messed up if you ask me. So again, it is Goo Goo clusters, another junk food store that's going to be here in Gatlinburg. If you ask me, we don't need any more junk food stores. We've got enough of them here in Gatlinburg. But that's going to happen. Yeah, Gatlinburg, for years trying to get it to where take care of the local, and yet they take out two local places to replace it with the Goo Goo cluster. Let me know what you think, please. I really hope that our friend Jeremy does well here, because this used to be a memorabilia shop back in the day, many years ago, and I hope he does well here. But again, he was at that location over there, and thankfully he didn't have to go too far. So guys, when you come to Gatlinburg, please give Jeremy some love and pop in and say hi if you're able to, and buy a t-shirt or two before he changes. I don't know what his new shop is going to be, but he promises it's going to be something different. Okay. Pretty cool. So it's going to be a cafe pretty soon. Beautiful night. So yeah, they can't make it a children's store because a lot of the customers were older. They're not able to go up to the stairs, so they're going to have a brand new format. But as soon as I know, I will let you know. But he is very local, so please support him. Support him. So one more time, just walk around. Wait, please. Earthquake is still there. Pretty cool backdrop, huh? So that's it, guys. If this is your first time on here, please say hi. Give me a follow. I'm on YouTube, obviously, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Have a wonderful night, guys. Be safe. Pretty cool. Bye, guys.